Our nation is currently facing incredibly challenging economic times. And when the economy is doing poorly, more people tend to need public assistance than when the economy is doing well. Government services such as healthcare, employment assistance, and food assistance are in highest demand when governments can least afford them. Without planning ahead, state leaders might need to make significant cuts or implement tax increases when spending exceeds revenues, precisely at the time when residents need help the most. So, what can lawmakers do? Well, budget stress testing is an important tool in their fiscal toolbox that can help states understand how revenues and expenditures might respond to different economic scenarios. States can set aside savings or create contingency plans to make sure that they can provide public services at the same or higher levels during economically challenging times. By planning ahead, states can avoid or lessen the need for significant spending cuts or tax increases that could potentially hurt residents when they need help the most. One of the best examples of comprehensive budget stress testing comes from Utah. The stress test conducted before the start of the current recession found that the state revenues could decline and expenditures could increase by as much as $4.6 billion over a 5-year period, depending on economic conditions. And while that's not going to help Utah avoid some of these really tough choices in terms of cutting spending or increasing taxes, it did allow lawmakers to better prepare for this current downturn. They built up reserves and made other contingency plans that allowed them to meet this crisis head on in a way that they wouldn't have before. For more information on Pew's work on state and local fiscal health, visit pewtrust.org/recessions.